Are you ready to start your outdoor adventure but you're unsure where to begin? Keep watching to discover the best outdoor adventure gear for beginners in 2025 that's going to help you to explore nature with confidence and comfort. Okay? You don't want to be a caveman out there with nothing on you, then sleeping in the sand and getting bitten by mosquitoes. Anyway, whether you're hiking, camping, or just just enjoying the great outdoors, the right gear can make all the difference. So if you're just getting started, you don't need to, invest in expensive equipment. With the right gear, you can enjoy your outdoor experiences safely and comfortably. So here are the best outdoor adventure gear for beginners. Okay? You got Osprey Daypack, which is a lightweight, comfortable backpack, perfect for day hikes. And I'll put this all in the description. It has plenty of storage for water, snacks, and essentials. Then you got Coleman Sundome Tent. Okay? That tent is an easy setup, weather-resistant materials, and with enough space to keep you safe and dry on camping trips. Then you got the Merrell Moab 2 hiking shoes, which provide excellent traction and comfort so you can walk for miles without hurting your feet. There's the MSR PocketRocket Stove, portable and efficient stove for cooking while you're camping, making it a must-have for your adventures. Then you got the Therm Arrest sleeping pad, which ensures a good night's sleep by providing cushioning and insulation on the ground during camping trips. So listen, these beginner-friendly outdoor adventure tools are going to help you start your journey with ease and make your outdoor experiences way more enjoyable. And if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.